Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a trade that I'm running in deep profits right now. I'm just going to put my Metatrader 5 on the screen right now so you see my entry on point. You understand? I just do what I preach on this channel. I I usually emphasize on these sniper entries, these using sell limits and buy limit. Avoid confirmations before entering trades. Oh. It's going to really delay you. Especially, it's going to give you a huge stop loss. Look at how tight my stop loss is because I have an early entry. But if I were to take like confirmation, I'll probably be entering on this engulfing candle right down here. And it is not really good because now my money is going to, and there's high chance that the market might not even still hold. So you just have to take it when you see it, bro. Take the risk, okay? I'm supposed to leave this trade 1:2, but I held this trade because what I risked here was relatively very small. So I just want to try something new. I usually take 1:2 and I'm out, but this one I didn't put much money on this trade, so I'm just holding it out. But I've already broken even here, so whatever happens, I'm at break even. It stops me out. I don't lose money, so I'm just going to break down this setup that I saw. Exactly, nothing's too complicated, nothing's too technical about it. It's just simply break and retest of horizontal levels in the market, drawing out key levels where market has faced impulsive rejections in the past. So that's all. So how I saw this setup, first of all, I was just looking at the chart. I saw this move here, it was really looking good. Then I missed this one because I was supposed to trade here. Reason being that the push that this level here, the momentum that this level introduced, it was very attractive to me, and I liked it because I also saw imbalance here. I saw imbalance here. I saw it taking out structure. Then, like the move, just drawing your fib right from this top down below here is really big. So I feel like this market should reject here again. Okay. It should, and it happened. So I missed it. So this is where I decided to enter because when I saw this push, it also took out structure here. If you can look here, this market came here, tapped in, broke structure to the downside. And I like to see this. Then I looked inside this move, this leg, this price leg here. I saw a lot of impulse. I saw these huge candles just, breaking structure to the downside drastically. So I'll be like, okay, this thing should come back, if you feel me. And I was not really looking to stay long in this trade. This trade, I stayed long accidentally because I was looking at this thing, considering the fact that this leg didn't really come all the way down, just like this one did. I just want to like have a quick 1 to 2, like the way I trade. So I don't really get scared when I'm entering my trades because I get early entries and I get early exits. So if I enter early, it's most likely I'm just getting out about around here. Around here, I'm just out of the trade. But when I entered this trade, I had my stops ready, but I didn't put my targets. Then coming back to the screen because we had a blackout, something happened. I don't know. It was just like, I don't know. That just came and the trade was running deep. So I just left it. The trade, as I speak to you right now, is still running. So I'm just going to put it on the screen. I hope you see it. And, I'll come back and break down this chart, break down my trading strategy, how I look and what I look for in the market. So stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Ghislaine Anye. So this is exactly how I trade. All right. I'm not a professional trader first. I always like to say this in all my videos. I'm just a nerd who understands the charts. You can also consider me that kid in class who always does his assignments. So don't take anything I do here too seriously, all right? I'm just doing this for fun. When I hop on my charts, first thing I want to see is I want to look at structure. I want to look at order flow. I want to see where the market is heading or what the market is doing. Where the market is heading, you really don't know. Because if we know where it's heading, then we are all going to be millionaires. But we don't know where it's heading. So we just have to look at what the market is doing. So right here, what I see the market doing is making and breaking structure. Now, this is typically a consolidating market. So you won't know until you see all of this price chart. But if you're here, let's assume you're here. How are you going to handle this trade? If you were here right now and all of this is not, like this is what you're looking at, or just this part. Okay, this is what we're going to do. If I'm trading this place here, I'm going to look at, oh, where are my tools? Okay, here, guys. All right, so if you're going to trade this, you're going to look for levels in the market where momentum was introduced. Okay, here you can see the market was forming and breaking structure to the upside, forming highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. When all of this was happening, how could you get involved in this trade? By looking for the 50% of these moves. Okay, you can look for the 50% of this area. Let's say this is this leg. Okay, from this swing low to this swing high, where is the 50%, the midpoint? That is where you should look for. It does not mean when you see a move, you just measure the 50% and place an order. No. When you draw your fib, okay? When I draw my fib, I just look to the left side. If I can see any key level there that really stands out, that matches up with that 50% or below, then I'll just draw that area as my key level. Then I'll place my order there. But if I cannot see any key level existing there, I'll not take any trade. I'll just ignore it. But if there's a key level like this one, this high head has formed and been broken, then I'll just draw my key level right there, place my buy limit. Then I buy this market up to the upside. Same thing here. I'll draw this leg from here to this swing high. Then I'm looking for the 50%, the midpoint. And this retracement didn't get there. I don't buy the premium market. I sell the premium market and I buy discounts. Discount is the level below the 50%. And the premium is the level above the 50%. You want to buy as low as possible and sell as high as possible. That's the only way you can make profit. Like if you look at this in economics, like for real, if you don't buy low, how do you want to make profit? So yeah, you can only buy if the price has gone below the 50%. That's how I do it. So here I ignore this trade and you can see the trade really didn't do anything. It just broke down afterwards. So now when I saw this move, I'll be like, okay, now I have a key level to sell from. This right here is momentum. This is wrecking. It just broke through all of these key levels here. This is a change of character. So what I want to see after this impulse, I just want to highlight this level here as my resistance. I'll just draw this out as resistance. This is resistance right there because price has faced what? A powerful rejection. Not just because I saw it fit or I saw it double top or anything. No. When I see that powerful impulse, that powerful rejection, okay, then that area is very, very special. I'll just draw it out. Then when the price gets there, I have my limit order. Limit order. I don't wait for any engulfing candle, any indicator to tell me to enter the trade or tell me to leave. I just put it here, I put my stop loss above the swing high or wherever it is or where I'm comfortable with. You can put yours up to the sky, it's like your business. I just put mine like that and I look for 1:2. This is my average risk to reward. I just do like this. This is how I trade every day. 1:2. Boom, like that. Then what do I look for? I look below if I can see any area to buy from. So when I hop on my chart, firstly, I look for areas above price that have rejected price nicely that I can draw my resistance at. Then I look for another level below price. So I just want to have like two main key levels. I don't want to have lines all over my chart. They're as clean as a baby's ass. So I just like it like this. I just draw this area here because why? The price really rejected here nicely. So this is going to be my support. Okay, this is my support because there's rejection up. This is my resistance because there's rejection down. Powerful rejection. I mean, rejections that have taken out structures. Okay, good. Now, we sell here. This is not going to work 100% of the time, but before you take a losing trade, you must have taken about 2 winning trades. I'm telling you. So here we have another sell limit. We'll keep placing this sell limit until this level eventually breaks and stops us out. You feel me? We won't stop. Just like that. 1:2. That's what I take on average. 1:2. Bam, like that. I do it. Down here, the price comes back again for the second time. Here, after forming here, I didn't buy here. This is where I'm buying now because I've seen now this level has validated this area here as my key level. So I'm buying here. Stop loss just below that swing low. Then my target is 1:2. 1:2. Okay, because on moves like this, you see this thing retracing. I don't have the balls to sit back and be like, no, it's going to go up. No, you don't do that. Don't say it's going to go up, bro. You know nothing. You know absolutely nothing. So if you've been right, just capitalize on that. So I already have 3 winning trades, guys. 3 winning trades. Let's stretch out this key level. So now this level here is about to break, but we have no idea. There's nobody that will tell you that this level will break now. Yeah, that is a sweep. That's a liquidity sweep right there. But how do you know that it's going to sweep liquidity just right away? Before the market sweeping out liquidity, price action or retail traders have already taken their money. So screw all of that. They like tell you stuff. If you think at the end of the day they don't take losses, they take massive losses. Before those, there are massive wins as well. So they take a handful of losses. So right here, we've taken a loss. Good. Now we know that our level has failed. I'm no longer interested in this key level unless the market breaks it upward, coming back to retest it. But in this case, the market just stopped us out and broke structure again to the downside, making this an even better level to sell from. So now I'll have a new key level at this high. If price finds its way back up there, I'm definitely selling because the move that was produced by that area is unmatched. So now this key level here has been broken. So we've taken another loss down here because we were buying here. Remember? So we've taken another loss here. How many losses have we taken? 2 losses. How many wins do we have? 3 wins. What our average risk to reward is what? 1:2. That's what we do, right? 1:2. Therefore, technically, we are up. How many are? 4 are. Beautiful. If you can trade like this in a day, this is the 15-minute time frame. In a day, this is just your session, like one session. This is how much you've made. 5 trades, you've lost 2, and you've won 3. And these 3 trades, just one trade has already covered all your losses. That is good. Okay. Now, how do you trade retest? On this channel, I always, there is this retest, concept. It is like the breakup block, supply, demand, flip stuff, like the way they call it, the term, whatever term you want to call it. But I just usually term it very easily because I see that if I want to take a retest from this market, I've seen that this market has broken structure. This is a key level. People will be looking to buy here. And other institutions or other people or other big, the whales in the market, the big guys, the people that move the market, right? They know exactly where you want to enter the market. And if they have this information, like, what are the odds, bro? You will lose, right? So I don't really look at these levels like this, unless this level is the reason why this structure here high was taken. So I would trade from this low instead, not this one, because this swing low is the last low that broke structure and took my money up here. Meaning there was somebody or there is something that entered the market here that caused us to lose money here, because not only me, but millions of people have lost money just above here because everybody was selling. We all know that, right? They also know that. So if they took our money here, that move started from here. This is where the move originated. This is where the move originated. So I want to be involved. I just want to be connected to this level. When next price approaches that area here, I want to be involved. Okay, I want to sell. So I'm selling here because this is where the magic happened. Not this low. This low didn't do anything. It pulled up, rejected. It pulled up, reversed. Like it didn't have the momentum. It didn't have the capabilities. So the real people that had the capabilities stepped in just here. So that is where I want to enter and sell this market down. Not only that, if I also draw my fib, you'll see that that level is above the 50%, which is good, meaning I'm selling at premium. I cannot sell here. This level here is discounts. Like I cannot sell inside discount. Who does that? I can't. So just the fact that this key level is above premium, that's another extra confluence. Secondly, it is the low that took out, is the last low that took out all the money that was above this level. That is a very, very important key level. So let us go on real charts and let me just show you a few, I don't know, examples. You can call it whatever you want. If you're new on this channel and you're going so far, if you watch this video so far, if you're like still watching, please do subscribe. Okay, consider subscribing. I'm new here. I'm new to YouTube. I don't have courses. I don't have Telegram. I will not message anybody. I've never. So if you get messaged by anybody or stuff, anything, please just ignore it. Okay. I just recently created a new Instagram account. The link is just down below. You can message me on Instagram. You can. Yeah. So there we go. This is the live chat. Now, where are the key levels? If I can look at this chart here, first of all, this level stands out massively. I'll draw this key level out. Bam, I'm looking to sell there. I am also looking to buy here. Please don't ask me why. I told you already. I'm looking to buy here. This level here was kind of weak because it consolidated. Then you see there's a liquidity grab here with this wick before breaking structure to the downside. So I don't really see any key level there. However, I see a key level here. Why? Because the price got here, exhausted, then broke it impulsively to the upside. Now, let me look at the trading or possible trading opportunity. If I was looking at this chart, I would have taken. I'll draw my leg from this external low to this high. That's my swing points right there. This leg, where is the 50% here? This is the 50%. I'm looking to buy below the 50%. Is there a key level? Is there a key level? This is a key level. Price has rejected it 1, 2, 3, 4. All of these candles have rejected this area. If you go on the 1 minute time frame, you see that there are equal highs here, rejecting that area very well. Okay, so this is very important. The market broke it and took all their money, came back to it. Then I'm looking to buy here because it is below the 50% and there's a key level. So that's all. Key level, 50%. Keep that in mind. Always use your faith. It's very important. So now, there we go. I bought their money. It came back again. Still, my limit order is still there. 1:2. I still made it. So how many times have I won? I've already taken 2 winning trades here. Then the third time, I lost. But if I was showing this thing live, I would not actually buy here for the third time because this high, this low, the time that I bought here, this move broke structure to the upside, letting me know that there is still bullish momentum. There is still buyers in this market, a lot. When it came here, it failed to break structure. It didn't break any structure. So I will not really be looking to buy here. As you can see, the market really got weaker. You see sellers trying to push it. It was really like some kind of a, there was no momentum. I cannot see buyers in this market. So I will not be looking to buy here unless this thing broke structure. So it did not. I'm not buying here. So I have 2 winning trades, one here, one here. Then the market eventually broke this level. I'm looking to sell now here. Why am I looking to sell here? I'm looking to sell here because the last low, or the low that has the highest point in this market, was originated here. This low. This is the high that took out this high. Then it has also broken. It has also tapped this. It has been tapped here also. So you have point A here, you have point B, point 3. All of these taps, 1, 2, 3, very important. Very important. I'm definitely selling here. Sold first time, second time, sold. And this is actually where I am trading live now. This is the trade that I'm involved in. These trades here I didn't take because I was looking at the bigger time frame. I was not trading on the 15-minute. So this trade, I just said I should look at my lower time frame today, and I took this trade. This is where I'm involved right now. The trade that I showed you at the beginning of this video. This is it. So yeah, that is it. That is it. That's all of it. Okay. This is another swing high here, swing low, broke structure. You measure it. First, you measure it. Is it below the 50%? Yep, it is there. 50%. You draw a key level out. There you have it. Retest, retest. All of it. It's just the same thing. It does not matter the time frame, bro. Time frame does not matter. Time frame, whatever instrument you're trading, price action is price action. So do your thing. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. It's very important. Please. I don't have anything to keep me going. Okay, my free time, or maybe if I don't have setups to look at, I just make videos for you people. Please support me. Subscribe to this channel. Like, turn on the notification bell. I drop videos on a daily basis. And my channel has been growing rapidly. People are loving what I'm doing. So join the club now and let's go.